How to calibrate your micro Tri-Gloss gloss meter. You should recalibrate the device if ambient conditions have changed. This applies especially when changing location, if major changes in temperature and relative humidity may be expected as a result. When moving from cold areas to warm areas, there is a danger of condensation. For this reason, after there's been a change in ambient conditions, you should wait for an appropriate amount of time to allow the optical components to adjust before calibrating and using the unit. You can use the path shown on the left side to reach the calibrate menu option. To begin calibration, press the wheel. The calibration process is performed automatically for all three geometries. The saved calibration values of the standard appear in the display. The unit then switches into measurement mode. State. This menu item provides you with information on the calibration status of the unit. In particular, you can check here whether the saved calibration values match those of the holder. The display also indicates if an error message was generated as a result of the last auto-diagnosis or calibration. If this has happened, further information is available under Section 22, Errors and Warning Messages. Scale. You can use the Scale menu option to switch back and forth between gloss units and reflectance. Move the mark to the desired entry and press Mode. A check mark identifies the scale that is selected. After you switch the scale, the unit must not be recalibrated. Changing calibration values. The gloss values of the calibration standard in the holder included with delivery are saved in the measuring device. During automatic calibration, the data is assigned to the standard in the holder. In some cases, it will be necessary to enter data for a new calibration standard. For example, if there is a previous standard that has been damaged or scratched. To ensure exact calibration, only original standards from the manufacturer should be used. You can use the path shown on the right side to reach the Change Calibration Values menu option. Main menu, Calibration, Change Calibration Values. In some cases, a selection menu may appear for geometries. Select the desired geometry and press the scroll wheel. A warning message appears. You can cancel this process by pressing the Operate button. If you press the scroll wheel, you will continue with the process of changing calibration values. In the next display, you can enter new calibration values. After you have entered the new value, a warning message appears again in the display. You can abort the process with Operate. If you confirm the new value by pressing the scroll wheel, the value will be accepted. After you have changed all necessary values, you should recalibrate the measurement device as usual.